Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something exciting, 8 ways to make money with Chat GPT. As you know, Chat GPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI, and it's one of the most advanced AI models available today. But, you might be wondering what exactly is Chat GPT? Well, Chat GPT is a language model that has been trained on a massive corpus of text data and can generate human-like responses to natural language inputs. It's like having a virtual assistant that can understand and respond to your requests. So, without further ado, let's dive into the 8 ways you can make money with Chat GPT. Way number 1, you can provide virtual assistant services. With Chat GPT's ability to understand and respond to natural language inputs, you can offer virtual assistant services to individuals or businesses who need help with tasks like scheduling, email management, or data entry. Way number 2, you can develop chatbots. Chatbots are becoming increasingly popular and are used by businesses to improve customer service, increase sales, and automate repetitive tasks. With Chat GPT, you can develop chatbots that understand and respond to natural language inputs. Way number 3, you can offer AI writing services. With Chat GPT's advanced language generation capabilities, you can offer services like article writing, copywriting, or even fiction writing. Way number 4, you can offer AI translation services. Chat GPT has the ability to understand and translate multiple languages, making it a great tool for businesses or individuals who need translation services. Way number 5, you can offer AI tutoring services. With Chat GPT's ability to understand and respond to natural language inputs, you can offer tutoring services in various subjects like math, science, or language. Way number 6, you can offer AI personal shopping services. Chat GPT can assist individuals with personal shopping by understanding their needs and suggesting products based on those needs. Way number 7, you can offer AI customer support services. With Chat GPT's ability to understand and respond to natural language inputs, you can offer customer support services for businesses, helping them to improve their customer service and reduce the workload of their support teams. And finally, way number 8, you can offer AI content generation services. With Chat GPT's advanced language generation capabilities, you can offer services like social media posts, blog posts, or even advertisements. And there you have it. 8 ways to make money with Chat GPT. With its advanced language generation capabilities, Chat GPT is a valuable tool for businesses and individuals looking to automate tasks, improve customer service, and increase productivity. Whether you're a freelancer, a startup, or an established company, there's an opportunity to use Chat GPT to your advantage. So, that's it for today's video. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll do our best to answer. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.